Oh, there's Cleo. Huh. Yeah. And Mustache. That's all that's left. There's Kenny. There's two more. We have a couple of stragglers coming in. Just an update to the cats. Huh, guys? My favorite babies, huh? Huh? You been around the longest, huh? Yeah, 80 degrees out, 6 in the morning. Unbelievable, right? July 4th. I just put out the homeless chicken, which is what my boy's eating right there. He's like, Daddy, I want the homeless chicken. Huh. Of course you do. He's a good boy. That's Cleo. Huh, Cleo Dio. She's such a pretty girl. All right.